Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome everyone to my class. And in this class, we'll discuss how we can deal with auto filling of certain data in MS Excel. So, probably there are certain entries or there are certain inbuilt data alignment which is mentioned in MS Excel. Like if you write January in MS Excel, if you write January and then if you drag it down automatically you'll get all the month like February, March, April, like that. Similarly, if you write Sunday and then if you drag your cursor down, so automatically you'll get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all that. So these are certain alignment, certain array of data which is already by default present in MS Excel, so you don't have to do manual entries of these data when it comes to MS Excel. So like if I write here, if I write here January, so once if I write January, I don't have to write February, March, April. While in case if I'm doing some data entry where I need to write the months, once done, you can see you will get the continuous series of the month. Okay, if I write here Jan, so you can write complete January, or if you write Jan also, if I drag it, let's see if it work or not. So you can see FEB, March, April and all. You're getting it right. So similarly, if you write Sunday, okay, so if I write Sunday and then if I try to drag it, so I'll get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all the days of the month very easily. Getting it right. So I hope you understood. Talking about numbers, you can even write the numbers also. Only thing, it works only arithmetic progression. Geometric progression, harmonic progression don't work on numbers. Like for example, if I go to new and here, suppose some products are mentioned here. So how many products are there? You can see till around 277 products are there. If I want to count it, control shift up arrow. So control shift up arrow, then shift down arrow, you can see the count 277 in the customized status bar. So 277 products are given. Suppose if I want to give numbering to these products, so I can insert one column before this column A. So how can I do that? So for that, select the column A, control space bar, then control shift plus. So if I do, you can see I got one column being added here. I'll write serial number of, okay. So if I write serial number, if I write one, and then if I just go here, the moment you get the doctor sign, can you see your cursor? And then if I double click on that, you'll get this one being put till the last, being put till the last row. So here I don't want one to be visible. So select everything, control shift up arrow, then shift down arrow. So what I do, you can write, once you write one, you can write two. Okay, once you write one, you can write two, and then you select one and two, and then wait for the doctor sign, double click. You see all the numbering came, 277, all numbering came. So you don't have to do it, okay, manual entry. You just need to do one calculation. Excel will do the remaining thing. So if I do one, if I write suppose -3, so if I do reverse, okay, so negative also, the difference is -4, then -7. So so imagine, then it follow arithmetic progression. I think everyone understand arithmetic progression. Then if you drag it, you can see, can you see that numbering? It follow the numbering. You're getting it right. So, so here the other way, what you can do for putting these numberings, what you can do, you can simply, right, 277 entries are there. How can I get that 277? How should I know that? I can simply use count A, not count. I cannot use count. Count we can use only for numerical entry. Then you come here, come to this cell, control shift down arrow, close bracket, enter. So you know that 277 entries are there. So just write down the first number, go to home, under home, go to series. Can you see this series? Okay, under series, click on column because you want vertical values. If you want horizontal value, click on row and step value 1, stop value 277. Press enter. You'll get all the values from 1 to 277. Clear everyone? Anyone, any doubt? So like this you can do. So one thing you need to understand that whenever you're working on this, you can write. If I want to write the table of 12 till 120. I can go here. Okay, I'll go to series. I can click on column step value table of 12 means the difference should be 12, and you want till 120 present. Okay, clear, right? Same thing if you want horizontal, click on row. If I want table of 13, if I want table of 13 horizontally, so see this dollar and came. So if you get this kind of auto formatting, do right click, go to format cell or control one, do here, go here and just click. This is general. It's not a currency. Okay, now go here, series, click on row. By default, it will row step value 13 until what you want. Suppose I want till 169, 13 table 30, 13, 169. You'll see this values you got. Now you got this value what horizontal. If you want this value vertical, so copy this value, control C. Okay, then wherever you want this horizontal to vertical, click on that, go to paste, and there paste do transpose. See where is the transpose? See where is the transpose? Otherwise, go to paste spatial, click on transpose. The shortcut key for this is Alt ESC. Control C, Alt ESC. Clear everyone? Anyone, any doubt? So this much from this class. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all in next class. Take care. Bye everyone.